driver's side here. Looks like a blue Cybertruck. I don't think I've ever seen one that wasn't silver or black. Oh, it changes colors. It's purple now, or pink now. It's ugly. Definitely ugly. It looks like somebody spray painted it. Good job wasting your money on something so ugly and useless. Alright, we're coming into Little Rock now. And traffic is building up. Over lane. We're going to be exiting here on the Route 30 until I come back home. I saw a billboard for somebody's OnlyFans page. A woman, her picture was there. That's like a, I think it's like a porno thing. Or like, I don't know how to explain it. I think it's like a porno thing, kind of like just for amateur people. So it was kind of a shock to see a billboard advertising her OnlyFans page. I don't know what her name was, but she looked like she was my age, and she looks like she's been through a thing or two. It was a little messed up, if you know what I mean. I guess she's making good money at OnlyFans to have her own billboard. 4.3 miles. They're getting the right lane now. This is Little Rock ahead of us here. I don't know if it's just the name of the place that made me think it was just a tiny little town. Why is it called Little Rock? I don't know yet. I do have full intentions on coming back through here and spending time near Little Rock. It's much larger than I expected. Oh yeah, it is 11:45. 65 miles away, hour and 2 minutes. I really need to get pulled over and run that thing through the gears. Oh, was I supposed to exit? I wasn't paying attention. No. But I want to wait till I get out of Little Rock, and I'm going to find a Walmart, get my sewer pipe and a cup holder that is a little more convenient that I can put up here somewhere, because it is well, taking my eyes off the road, it's very difficult to grab my water. Oh boy. And then I'll run a tracker through the gears. And I'm just below half. 220 miles. 221. And we have what, 60? Maybe I'll top it off. Yeah, I guess maybe I'll top it off if there's a decent price at the gas station. I'm not going to find 237 again. I got really lucky with that. Texarkana. Reminds me of Smokey the Bandit. Okay, I got the sewer hose. Try and get some gas on here. See if this cup holder is going to work. I'd say that's perfect. Okay. We got some cheap headphones with a mic. For the next time the phone rings, I'll be able to talk hands-free without trying to shout. $237 at Murphy. I don't know if I can get in there though. It's a small place. No. If I do get in, I won't be able to get out. Well, I'm getting gas here. $238.9 because I had to put my phone number in. So I'm sure I'll start getting a bunch of texts from Shell now. But it saved me 5 cents a gallon. It only lets you pump 20 gallons here. And it caps you off. I waited for a few minutes.
Right toward Commerce Street, then sharp right.
And tried to go to do a second round, but I went inside. It takes like an hour till you can do a second round there. So I got almost 3/4 of the tank.
Turn left onto the ramp.
I ran the transmission through the gears.
Use the left lane to take the I-30 West ramp, then merge onto I-30 West.
We are 45 minutes away.
Continue on I-30 West for 12 miles.
Well, 4 minutes away. 225 right now. It got hot. I mean, I had to get up, open all the windows and the vents, and it was still hot. So I took my sweatshirt off. Now I got the air conditioner on. $62 degrees, I think it is. That's what my phone says, but it feels like it's in the mid-70s.
Take the second left onto Campground Road, then turn right. Turn right, then your destination will be on the left.
This is the largest of the campground so far. I'm in C. Come back this way
500
more.
feet, sharp left at Aloha Trail.
It's like a golf cart.
In 600 feet, turn right onto Campground Road. Head east toward Winston Terrace.
I have to disconnect because it's too hard to maneuver around here, she said, with vehicle attached. I'll disconnect and leave it over here by the air. Walk back down and get it. So that's where the weld's broke. I'm here at this shop now. They're going to fix it, weld it, and I got Safe Light coming tomorrow. They're going to fix my windshield at the campground. So things are coming together now. Right there, you can see him right there. And there's one right here. Boy, is my windshield dirty. It's right where I wiped. Yeah, it's easier to see that during the day. The whole bumper's loose though. I don't know if that's a bumper or if that's just a plastic maybe. I think you see a little bit better now. There's the little ones right here. Right there. Well, it's not perfect. It's definitely better. Was it worth 200 bucks? I don't think so. Well, I gotta go get an oil change because for some reason I'm getting a ticking noise after I just changed the oil before we left.
Take the next left onto Winston Terrace, then turn right onto Treasure Isle Road.
And I haven't really drove it. It is really weird to drive. I feel like I'm crunched in here. So I got a half off coupon for getting my oil changed.
Take the next right
10
onto
minutes
Treasure
away.
Isle Road.
Looks like I missed a wreck while I was going. Can't really see it. Alright, I want to take you for a ride on the e-bike. It should be charged. Hopefully the mic's working and the camera angle is not terrible. It is chilly. Got a jacket on, but it's nothing like yesterday. Since this is my favorite campground, I'll take you for a ride and show you around. So far, my favorite. I would consider an extended stay here. Probably in this lot here at 16 because it's more level. I'm gonna bottom out coming out of there. I think we left the campground. Kayak rentals, canoe rentals. There's even pontoon rentals somewhere. There's a pontoon there. Boy, that's brisk. I guess that's the exit there. Oh. I do have a bag of garbage up here I want to take. It's a dumpster. I'm gonna ask him how much an extended stay is. I'm not gonna stay, but maybe in the future.